Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This is my G20 BMW. I'm going to show you how to update the software on your car. I got a notification on my cell phone via the Connected Drive app that there's a software update available. And I downloaded it on the phone through my home Wi-Fi. And what you got to do from there is go to mobile devices, and you have to make sure you hit plus new device. And you may have your phone already paired for Bluetooth pairing and whatnot, but you got to pair via Wi-Fi direct for apps. I'm just sitting on my driveway right now and it's transferring between my cell phone because it downloaded it off my home Wi-Fi to the car via Wi-Fi direct. I've had my car since October of 2019 and it is now June of 2020 and I'm getting my first over-there update. We can look at some info on this latest version, 11/2019.70. I just want to make a quick video showing you what the process would be like if you get the notification on your phone. It will start from the Connected Drive app. So I'm going to start the upgrade right now. So it's saying the vehicle cannot be used for about 20 minutes during the upgrade. I'm fine with that. Alright, I'm going to say okay, vehicle is parked safely. So I'll let this run and I'll come back when it's a relevant time. So I hear a cooling fan running inside the iDrive unit. Probably cooling the CPU, but it says upgrading. So that appears to be it. Let me give the car a start now. So there you go, upgrade is completed. Information on the new version, we've already seen all that. We'll just hit OK. So that's how you do a software update on a G20 or any newer generation BMW. I figured this video could be helpful, show you what's involved. You're basically making sure that you have the Connected Drive app installed on your phone, and then on the phone it will download via your Wi-Fi network the latest software version and inform you that a software update is available. It'll ask you to connect to the car via Wi-Fi direct, and then when you drive it will upload the file to the car, and then when you're back home at night when your car's parked, you can go ahead and initiate the upgrade. And you saw the process there. Any coding you've done may be lost because it's going to default encode the car again, which is kind of crummy, but comes with the territory. Anyway, if this is the first video you're catching on mine, consider subscribing. I do upload regularly. Thanks for watching. Wow.